Hello all you awesome people out there. Welcome back to the to Apple in Texas. Today I have an unboxing for an Apple iPhone 4. It's not a complete iPhone 4, but it is in good shape, and I just want to show it to you guys. If I could get this priority mail box open. Okay, so we got that open. Yes, so it is officially open. We can toss the box over there. And we now have the iPhone 4. Someone put, never mind. It's easy to take off. Yes, so as I said, this was not a complete Apple iPhone 4. Dang, is it cold. But there it is. Someone, the person who sold it to me on eBay, it's nice enough to, like, just clean it all up. Yeah. So this iPhone 4 does not have a logic board. So it is pretty much just parts. And he has a few parts in this bag, as well as cameras, stuff like that. And here is the lithium-ion battery. And this is basically what I unboxed. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and thought this was pretty cool, which I'm thinking this is pretty cool right now. Just a good parts phone. Anyway, I'll see you again next time, so peace.